So we're going to talk about templates. What are they and how can we use them? So I've already opened up a Logic session here, and we're going to go to our templates menu. So we're going to close this. We'll go to File, then we'll go to New from Template. You can see the shortcut here. It's Command N. So I'll go ahead and click away and do Command N. I'm going to close this session, hit close, and then it's asking me if I want to save it, but I'll just do don't save. All right, so now we're looking at the template window. You have three different tabs here. New project, which just shows different templates that you can choose. Recent, it'd show your recent projects, but since we haven't done any, there's nothing here. And the same thing with my templates. We don't have any templates, therefore it's blank. So let's start with the new project tab. If you notice on the bottom right here, there's a details arrow. Let's go ahead and click that. Now, I don't use this details section, and I don't really recommend you using this. Just to give you a quick overview, this allows you to set up settings for your song. So you can choose the key signature, you can choose the BPM, even slide this around to speed it up. Use the tap tempo. Right here, this is my microphone that I'm using right now. Here's my interface. So if I were to use my interface, I can select that. And then sample rate, frame rate, surround format. Typically don't even use these. The only thing that I would use is my sample rate. And in my case, I'll use 48 kilohertz. But for right now, let's go ahead and just close this and not even worry about that panel. I just wanted to go over it so that way you know what it is and what it's used for. Any of these sections that we just discussed in the details panel, you can easily change when you're in your session. All right, so back to our templates here. So the two that I want to focus on are hip hop and songwriter. You can feel free to go through any of these just to check them out. I think that's a great idea because that'll get you familiarized with what they have to offer, and if you'll use them. So we're going to check out hip hop. Let's go ahead and double click on this.